Good evening, and thanks for joining us here in the charts. Tuned into the Market Beast edition. It is your fellow compadre speaking, of course. Today we're going to be talking about fuel cell energy. We got a few requests for this, and so if that piques your interest, go ahead and subscribe to the channel, guys. Hit the notification bell, leave a thumb, an appropriate thumb before you leave if you enjoyed the content. This really helps the channel, guys. We're growing steadily here, so we'd like for the YouTube algorithm to continue to stay on our side. So we appreciate every single one of you and your help with that. And let's go ahead and take a look at this chart here. Dive right into this chart, shall we? All right, so today's January the 8th, 2021, and the previous close of fuel cell is going to be 1532. It's up about 2.2% for the day. Okay, these are the daily candles that we're looking at fuel cell. It's going to be range bound for me. It's the previous level of support is going to be $6.37. All the way up to 1957 is where, as far as I can see. The price is trying to reach that level. It's not guaranteed it's actually going to reach that high, but according to my technical research, no fundamental data here, guys. Just technical data, nothing wrong with fundamentals. That's as far as I can see the price reaching, 1957. Now, if it gets above that level, we just have to revisit the charts and see what potential levels that it could reach overhead. But let's not get ahead of ourselves here. This is the range that I personally can see. If you guys have any different levels, then of course let me know that down in the comments section. And I didn't find any patterns other than this pattern that is already broken out of this bullish flag here, which is irrelevant since it is already broken out of that level. So what I can see is the previous level of resistance is going to be somewhere right about here. I guess we can identify that. So for those of you looking to enter this market, at some sort of reasonable price tag, I can see the $12.41 level being a potential level of interest. These are the 3-day candles, which again, guys, you have to take that with a grain of salt, not financial advice. And the alternative previous level of resistance will be down here at about just below $10, like $10.11 right there. Okay, so those are the two levels, depending on your risk tolerance, guys. Let's just say you, into the market at near the current level. That's gonna be like a 14% down, 17%. See, that's not even a practical amount to risk on a play, right? So I mean, you're definitely risking a lot in terms of entering here and exiting the market at the previous level of resistance, which you probably wouldn't do that, right? Like me personally, I'm not buying this, guys. This is just a simple, video to show you guys the levels that you could potentially enter this market to ride it to the upside, or if you're looking to put it down, right? I'm the neutral party here, guys. So either way, I'm just giving you the levels. So hopefully you caught that. I'll go over those very quickly again. This is the most recent level of resistance as far as what I can see from a 3-day here, $12.47. And the previous level of resistance before that would be just under $10. Okay, the price target is still the same. I can't really give a time frame on this, guys, because I feel like it has to do some sort of sideways consolidation. And of course that could be totally off, guys. I mean, I'm not sure, but this is the level here, 1957. Let's say it takes another. Let's just measure this area right here. Let's see, there's a little bit of consolidation in this bull flag here. So I guess we can use that as an example, as a potential play out in terms of time. So you're talking about 24 days. So just over 24 days, just under. Okay, we can measure that over. So that would lead the time to about February the 3rd, 2021. Let's say we develop some sort of some sort of pattern in this area here where there's a bull flag sideways consolidation. Let's assume that it needs to consolidate for another 20 to 30 days to break up. And again, the price target is still the same, guys, 1957. And I think that pretty much covers everything, guys. So again, if I were to enter the market, I would definitely enter or look and see if the candlesticks is suggesting a imminent reversal if it were to retrace from here at the previous level of resistance. If that fails, we'd go to the alternative previous level of resistance, and just take a look at the charts to see if that would be an interesting level to enter the market to play it up to the overhead target that we've discussed many times. Rewind it back, guys, if you caught that. Thanks for joining me here. Leave an appropriate thumb just below the video there if you guys enjoyed the content. Leave a comment down below, guys. Let me know if you guys are invested in this instrument here. And before you go, we also cover the alternative markets. If you guys are into Bitcoin and altcoins, we cover that as well. So be sure to subscribe to the channel, hit that bell where it says all, click that as well, so this way you'll be notified, and join us here on our journey, guys. Please expect unprofessionalism and accuracies on the channel. This is not financial advice. I'm not going to get this stuff perfect. Correct me down in the comment section if I said anything wrong in the video. We do accept constructive criticism, preferably constructive only, guys, please. Okay. Again, guys, thank you for your time. Take care of yourselves. Protect your portfolio. We're going to talk very soon, guys. And bye for now. Take care.